Access to the rear side marker is under the back bumper. Reach your hand up under the bumper and turn the socket clockwise to unlock it. Pull out the incandescent bulb and replace it with the LED bulb. Test it, and you can return the socket back into the housing. Turn the socket counterclockwise to lock it. There's a second method to replace this bulb that requires a trim tool. Reach under the bumper and use your tool to push in the locking clip and push out the housing. You can see how the locking clip works. Slide the housing towards the front and pull out the back clip. Now follow the same steps as before. Turn the socket clockwise to unlock it. Pull out the incandescent bulb and replace it with the LED bulb. Test the bulb and you can replace it back into the housing. Line up the tabs on the socket with the slots in the housing and turn the socket counterclockwise to lock it. Slide the back clip in first, then push in the front to lock it. You can repeat either method on the other side. The pure red LED light looks great for these rear side markers.